Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 8822, the change of address form. First, locate the most recent version of Form 8822 on the IRS website. You'll need to provide your previous mailing address and your new one. Ensure all personal identification numbers, like your Social Security number or employer identification number, are correctly entered. This form helps the IRS keep your records updated for tax correspondence. Moving on to the specifics, Part I is straightforward. You'll enter your full name, your old address, and your new address. If you're filing jointly, both names should be included. Part II is for businesses, estates, or trusts. You'll check the appropriate box to indicate if the change applies to a business, and then provide the entity's name and identification number. Now for Part III, which is crucial. Here, you can specify if the address change applies to specific types of returns, like individual income tax or gift tax. Make sure to sign and date the form. Without your signature, the IRS cannot process your request. Finally, mail the completed Form 8822 to the correct IRS address, which you can find in the form's instructions. Remember to file Form 8822 as soon as possible after your move to ensure you receive all important IRS communications. It's also a good practice to keep a copy of the completed form for your own records. This helps if you ever need to verify the change. And speaking of keeping things organized, if you're looking for ways to simplify your daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.